out today, so it's the perfect weather event for another tractor adventure. We have the trailer hooked up, we have our chains and come-alongs loaded, we have our cooler full of cold snacks, 2 air tanks, a hydraulic jack, and what else do we need but to get going? All right, it took us about an hour 15 minutes to get this loaded up. The rear tires are loaded with calcium, so that was a little bit of added weight. And as you can see, maybe someday I'll get an electric winch for this trailer. But until then, salut. Have a successful tractor party on your next adventure. Next, we're gonna get home, get this unloaded, pressure wash it, and see what we have to work with. Take care. Now we got to get it unloaded and get it pressure washed and see what we have to work with. right, we got the first coat of moss and dirt off of this. Cleaned up fairly well. Things we took notice of as we were cleaning it. The back wheels are different. So I don't know if this is a 9N wheel or if this is an original style wheel. Or if we go and look at the other side, you can see if they're clearly different. So the brake linkage needs hooked back up. It's hard to say why that was disconnected. See the pedals down to the floor. And let's see, a lot of aftermarket wiring. As we cleaned it, the termite holes got kind of big. So we'll address that at some point. But like all these projects, we're gonna see if we can get it running first and then go on from there. I did check the fluids in this before I purchased it. All the fluids were full. Even the transmission with the no dipstick in hole, that's full, but that'll need change because it's hard to say how long that's been sitting in that condition. Same way with the rubber boot that has long since gone from the transmission gear shift. It's a later 8N, has the last version of the dashboard with the proof meter and also the side mount distributor. So I had asked the owner, the good old question, when's the last time it ran? Well, it's been a couple years. If I was to put this on Maury Povich, he would say that was a lie because it's been a long time since this thing's been running. Look at the inside of this gas cap. Horrible. Old Tractor Supply battery and a free bird's nest in the toolbox. So we'll see what we can do with this in the coming weeks and see if we can at least get it to run, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.